All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about leveraging personal profiles and groups. So, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in.
Okay, so let's get started with how to use personal profiles and groups in your marketing efforts. Once you sign up for LinkedIn and create a profile, you can start to build a network of contacts. But remember to optimize your profile page. Let's look at an example. In our example, start by adding a professional photo of you. This is an opportunity to make a good impression. Use a high-resolution image and never upload a cropped photo. Next, add a cover photo. Think about a professional story that you want to tell your audience. Do not just pick a random image. Remember that anything that you put on your profile page can be a reflection of you or your brand. Next, we have the About section. This is your introduction card. You can write a short summary of your professional background and abilities to get noticed by potential business network. Aside from posts, we can increase engagement by writing articles and sharing our activities. This makes our profile interesting, and people are always drawn to stories. You can share all this information at the article section here. The last two sections you can use to collaborate are the skills and endorsements and the recommendation section. This is a great way to exchange ideas and interact with your network while building your profile credibility. Another way you can build connections is by adding people from your network. Networking doesn't only mean reaching out to cold strangers, but you can start from people you already know and trust. Check out your My Network tab for contacts you may already know. Lastly, let's talk about groups. Social media as we know it is changing. So instead of building huge public pages, more and more businesses are opting for niche closed communities. This is because group is a place where more meaningful content and discussions are given priority. To create a successful group, start by picking a topic that your audience cares about. Then, go to My Network tab, and then click the Groups tab on the left side. After that, click the Create a New Group button at the upper right side of the screen. Upload a cover photo and a group photo, then type in your group name, your group description, and your group rules. Finally, select the privacy type. Standard privacy type allows your group to appear on search results, while the unlisted type is a group by invitation only. Once all is set, click the Create button. This is how the group page looks like on the admin's page. You have the group information on the left box with the month and year it was created, the number of pending posts, and the member request, the option to manage a membership, and an option to edit the group details. The center box is where you can start a group conversation exclusive for members only. On the left side, you'll see the number of members and an option to invite additional members as well as the other group details. Now let's find a group to join. Let's use the search bar to find groups about digital marketing. Here are all the list of groups about marketing. You can see how detailed their group names are. Just below the group title, you'll see the number of members and the description of the group. Once you've decided to join a group, just click the Request to Join button and wait for the group admin to accept your request. Don't forget to read the group rules so as not to be kicked out from the group.